Welcome to Monday Market Madness. My name is Odwa and I'll be taking you through some trades that I have for this week. Before we start trading, we have to get the fundamentals right. These are the news you want to look out for. So two currencies will be affected. It's the American dollar and the Great British Pound, mainly because the manufacturing PMIs are coming out, and that's something to have a look at if you're looking to trade anything with this currency in it. On Tuesday is the Australian dollar that's affected, and also then the Great British Pound will also be affected by this. This is something to have a look at. If you're trading or holding a trade that is affected by these currency pairs, you're going to have to be aware of this. However, if you're looking to scalp, this is a great week to be scalping. On Wednesday, we're also going to have the FMOC meeting notes coming out. This is something to have a look into when you're placing your trades when it comes on Wednesday. The only currency that's going to be affected by this is the American dollar. So have a look at that as well. So on Thursday, the most news is going to be coming out. It's going to be affecting the American dollar. So this is what you're going to want to look into when it comes to placing your trades. Do not go in prematurely and analyze your trades effectively. And Friday is the first day of the G20 meeting, and that's something to look into. It's going to be affecting all the currency pairs. So if you're holding a trade, be aware or tighten your stop loss so that you don't take much of a knock because of any news happening. And then, as I said, the non-farm payrolls are coming out this Friday. It's the first week of the month. It's time to make some trades and look at that as well. It's a great opportunity for all you scalpers out there to get in 30 minutes to an hour trades and then get out, make some quick money. All you Team Odwa supporters there, I'm going to be going through the trades of the week. So my first trade for this week is going to be the Euro USD, which last week broke a channel. It was going sideways for a couple of months and it finally broke last week. And the strength of its momentum after it broke went to the second major resistance line. So I'm expecting it to bounce back from there. My second trade that I'm looking at is the USD Japan. As you can see here, here's a perfect short-term head and shoulder pattern that has formed. I'm expecting this pair to have a nice movement, not many pips, but something just to make a quick buck off. And my final chart is a chart of the GBP JPY. This was a great trade for me last week. As you can see, at this downward channel, it broke out of and it went in an upward movement. That is mainly because of the news that came out last week. At the moment, I'm seeing that it's reaching its support level on top, and from there I see it's going to go down again. So this, I'm expecting a short position for this trade in particular. My stop loss for this particular trade will be just above 148.25, just because that is a major support level. Get excited, we got 60 days left until blank. Please fill in the blank, give me your ideas, let's see what you think is going to happen. We learn. So as I said, guys, before, we have a rivalry going on between me and Lino. So if you think that my trades are good trades for this week, please hashtag Team Odwa. And then for Team Lino, I am sad to say this should not be a bull, should be a chicken, as he is not here to co-host this up. But because he knows his trades are bad, he is not around. What do you think is the issue? Do you think he's scared? Is he chicken? Or is there actually a legitimate reason why he's not here? Let's find out your thoughts. Put your comments in the section below and I will be looking forward to that. Please let us know. Follow us also on our social media channels. We got Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. And here, I want you guys to hashtag Team Odwa and let me know if my trades are excellent. Thank you very much for your time. Look forward to hearing from you guys.
Hi guys, welcome to our first Monday Market Madness, and this week we're going to be discussing some of the trades that we have in line or in our watch list. So what I'm looking at here is Aussie dollar, which is one of my trades, and I think this is going to be a good trade. It's at a major point right now, and if you are not selling or if you're going to be buying, I feel sorry for you, but I'm waiting for good shorts to come. So if you look on a weekly chart, you will see that it is at the major selling point, and it's been ranging for a while, so you want to keep it there. Hey. My next trade is Euro dollar, Euro USD, but it's at a very high point now. See if that support line, which is very major, You'll see it on a weekly if it's gonna break or not. I'll be going with my shorts there. And my next trade is the pound yen. This everybody does not play with kids. It's trading in an upwards triangle, and let's see if it will break to the top. It will be touching again the third time at the resisted line. So let's see whether it's gonna break or we're gonna get a signal telling us we can short back to the trend line right there. I'm a nice guy. I do not have anything that's very bad to say about my counterpart right here. We'll see who's just gonna be at the top of the leaderboard. Visit our website www.gt247.com and get registered with us. Be part of the team and stay tuned at all times.